Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about depression in children and teenagers. Because this is a pretty common topic related to psychiatry and related to children. I am Dr. Radhika Kelkar. I am a practicing psychiatrist at Akola in Maharashtra. Friends, many children have times when they feel sad or they are a little down, they are feeling a little down. Now, occasionally feeling this or occasional sadness is pretty much normal. But if a child is sad, is irritable, is not enjoying things around him, and this continues for a very long time, it may be a sign that he is suffering from major depressive disorder, commonly known as depression. So some people think that only adults can become depressed. This is a misconception that people have. This is not true, and children and even adolescents can experience depression, and studies recently say that these cases are on their rise. They are pretty much seen everywhere in our society. So common symptoms of depression in children and teenagers include firstly feeling or appearing depressed, sad, tearful, or even irritable, because irritability is a common symptom that children present with. Then secondly, not enjoying things as much as they used to previously. Then one more thing is spending less time with friends or activities related to play or getting along with other kids, getting along with other people. This changes drastically. Then there are changes in appetite or weight or both. Sleeping patterns are disturbed, sleeping more or less than the usual time that they used to. Then feeling like everything around them is their fault, or whatever bad is happening is their fault, or they are not good at anything, having such feelings for a long time. Then having trouble concentrating in studies, not caring about studies, not being careful about what is happening in the school, or in general going down in grades in school. That is one sign of depression. Lastly, having thoughts of suicide or wanting to die. Now there is one more symptom that children present with. Some children may have physical complaints like having frequent headaches, or having stomach aches, or having body aches, or not in general not feeling well. Some depressed adolescents also go on the path of drugs or alcohol to try and reduce the feeling of depression. So we do not always know that what causes depression. Sometimes it just comes out of nowhere, and other times it happens when children are under some stress, or they are losing out on something, or they have lost something or someone close to them. It can be as simple as losing the first or second grade in school to some other child, and the sense of loss that comes along with it gives rise to depression. Sometimes there is bullying happening at school, and sometimes kids, as we all know, spending more time on social media or internet. This can also be associated with depression. So the causes of depression are quite varied, but if you suspect that your child is having depression, try and ask him that how they are feeling most of the times during the day, and is there something that is bothering them. Now when you ask something like this directly to your child, and if the child is depressed, the child can say that they are feeling unhappy or sad, or they are feeling like hurting themselves, or they feel that they should be dead. These statements should not be taken very lightly. They should be taken seriously and should be definitely addressed. It is important to seek help. A school counselor or a mental health professional can help you deciding on the diagnosis and treating how the treatment should be, can advise you regarding that. So the good news about depression is that depression in general and depression in children is that effective treatments are there. There is psychotherapy available, there is pharmacotherapy available to treat depression. cognitive behavioral therapy or interpersonal therapy works very well with children, and if needed we can also give medicines. So treatment is possible, so you should take care about these matters, be aware of these matters and take appropriate action. Hope this info was useful for you, and thanks for watching the video. See you. Take care.